In this video, I'll explain you that how a basic MPPT solar charge controller works. So as you can see on the right side of the simulation over here, you can see that there are two solar panels of 12 volt each unit. So after that, we are basically using a voltage sensor unit which will detect the voltages coming out from the solar panel, and after that I am using a gate driver over here to turn on and turn off the MOSFETs. And the voltage that we will be using over here, that will be a basic uh, buck converter, so which will lower the voltages from 24 volts into, like, let's say 18 to 19 volts. And after that I have used a LC inductor over here, and the same thing I have done over here is to use a voltage sensor again to detect how much voltages are being getting after the second stage. Then we are using a current sensor. The thing is, over here, that is MPPT, so it's maximum power point tracking. So in case of maximum power, you need to get the two values. The one value, that will be the voltages, and then the second value, that will be the current. So after multiplying both these values, we will get the power. So what our system will do over here is that will track the maximum power that can be detected from the system. So as you can see that there are two stages. The first stage, that will be the battery stage, and after that there is a low. So this one thing can basically provide power to two units. So after 18 volts, the voltage will be goes inside of the battery, and after that second stage we will be will be delivering power to the load. So there is a temperature sensor as well, and there is a buzzer over here as well to turn on in case of a fault. So let's run the simulation. So as you just turn on the simulation, you will see that values over here on LCD display. It will be like, as you can see that the voltage is coming from the solar, that will be 23.84 something. So that voltages are not suitable to, you can say, to power up a battery. So after that we are basically converting the 23 volts into 15 to 16 volts to charge up a battery. So in case of a battery, as you can see that the battery voltages are 12 volts. So if you have to charge, or to have to flow the charge inside the battery, you have to give sufficient voltage so that the battery can be charged up. So the voltage that I am giving over here is, that is 18, or like that will be in between from 70 to 18 volts. So this is the amount of current that is going into the battery. So after charging the battery, we are basically taking the power from the battery. As the battery is of 12 volts, so we have to take voltages from 12 volt to run our load. So you can see, if you multiplies both these quantities, like voltages with the current, you will get the maximum power span. And on the right side of the scope, as you can see that those pulses are basically programmed for the buck converter to convert the high voltage into the low voltages. And the temperature over here is, that is 36 volt